Hey there, LEGO fans and library lovers. It's me, Blair Archer, welcoming you into the Brix LEGO studio for another educational and exciting element exploration. Today, we're going to be taking a look at wearable LEGO, including LEGO dots and how you can use them in your own creations and out in the world. We've got a lot of ground to cover and skin, so let's dive right in over at the LEGO desk and take a look at all the cool things you can create with wearable LEGO. Come on. Since the launch of LEGO Dots, they've given us a load of different ways to express our love of LEGO. And while the bracelets and the tiles that come with them are the foundations of the Dots system, today we're going to go beyond the bracelet and build bold and beautiful creations that push the boundaries of the brick. The bracelets have, of course, given us some amazing elements just in of themselves. A rubbery, soft Lego plate that can wrap around your wrist, ankle, or any place you can imagine and be decorated with Lego tiles and plates. The tiles that they come with come in a lot of awesome varieties. Amazing printed elements with cute designs on them, awesome new textured and pearlescent pieces, including three-dimensional stars, gems, and loads of shapes and colors in so many varieties that we hadn't seen before. These pieces are especially useful for creating text, and there are many different typefaces that people have developed using the two-wide system and these quarter-round tiles to create awesome letters for different kinds of alphabets that you can write on your bracelets with. A recent addition to the LEGO Dots family also includes these awesome bag tags, which are a soft Lego cube that you can decorate with these cute animal faces. And the expansion packs come with a variety of basic and printed tiles that you can use to accessorize your creations. The newest pack has pieces to make more kinds of critter faces or character faces, but just like the others, it is a blind selection of the printed elements, so you might have to get multiple in order to complete certain character faces that you want to get. Taking a look inside our cube box, you see they have this awesome multi-faceted Lego element that you can build off of with a ring for connecting it to your bag or purse or backpack or whatever you really want to put it on. As well as an instruction manual and our awesome variety of elements to decorate it with. What's awesome about the LEGO bag tags is that not only do you get this amazing six-sided element to build off of, but you get these super adorable face pieces to decorate any kind of character in the LEGO system. And since they're recessed back on this piece, you also get this tiny brick separator in case you make a mistake and you want to adjust something, like putting the mouth up a little higher using this jumper plate. Super cute. LEGO Dots is all about decorating. They've even put out this cupcake decorating set that includes, once again, multicolored tiles, as well as cool pieces to emulate frosting, as well as candles and flames to make a whole set of cupcakes that you can use for party gifts or celebrations of any kind. When LEGO Dots first launched, I was very excited about the ability to build off of a wearable Lego baseplate. Using the Lego bracelet as a base, I created this Mtron Space Exploration Communication device. It's full of fun features and moving Lego elements built off of the bracelet that emulate a cool interstellar communications module. It even lifts up off of the base so that you can talk to your fellow astronauts. Let's take a look at how it goes together. When building a more complex creation off of the Lego bracelet as a base, you need to make sure that your connection area does not expand beyond a 2x2 footprint. That's because as the bracelet bends while wearing it, it will peel away from the pieces if they're wider than 2x2 because of the amount of clutch strength that it has, which is the connectivity between the bracelet and your Lego elements. On the bracelets, it's slightly less than your standard Lego connection, but if you have a 2x2 connection on there, you can be assured that you won't lose any pieces while walking around with your creation on. That's really important because we don't want to lose any of our Lego bits while we're out in the world. And your Lego Dots creations don't have to be limited to just your wrists, ankles, or necklaces either. Here I've created a Lego headdress that wraps around my head and can be worn fairly comfortably for long periods of time. Let's take a closer look. Let's try out this headdress and see what it looks like. So you can see that I've attached these dragon wings to the sides and used some Lego Friends Cube fabric pieces here and some Bionicle as well as Lego Dots to create a cool wearable headdress. You can link as many of the Lego Dots bracelets together as you need to create a shape that matches the outside of your skull. Another way that you can expand your Lego Dots is by using a hairband or a rubber band if you want to attach them in a place that is a little bit thicker than your wrist. You can see how it expands using the elasticity of the band. So if you wanted to build something that goes further up on your arm or around a part of your leg that's a little bit thicker, that is a great trick. Here you can see the Lego Friends cube that these fabric pieces came from. I'll pop them off here so you can get a closer look. They have these holes in them that allow you to build straight through them. On the Lego Friends set, they came like this to create the feathers on this flamingo. Here's a closer look at how to expand a Lego Dots bracelet if you need it to wrap around something slightly larger than your wrist, but you don't quite need two bracelets. You simply take a hairband or rubber band and you loop it through one of the holes in the Lego Dots bracelet, and then you stick the rubber band back through itself to create a simple knot that cannot be undone on this end. And then as you wrap it around to the other side, you take the top of that loop and put it down through the top of the bracelet, and then the loop as it comes underneath can latch around the little nub on the bottom that would normally go back through the bracelet itself. And once you take that element and you pull it tight, the two loops hold together, and now you have an elastic version of the Lego Dots bracelet connection. Super useful for making things that expand further up your arm or in places where one bracelet just isn't quite enough. Here's a creation where I've taken the Lego Dots bracelet beyond the wearable world and into the Lego MOC world. This MOC, or my own creation, is an ice planet mono rover that I created using a Lego Dots bracelet as the foundation for the treads here. You can see that I've built it up into the chassis of the vehicle so that it appears to be coming out seamlessly like it's on some sort of a futuristic rotation device powered by this cool translucent orb in the middle. That way I've hidden where the bracelet comes together up inside the creation so that it looks like it's a seamless circle. Lego Dots bracelets can be used to create interesting rounded shapes in your Lego creations. So far, people have only just begun to scratch the surface of what they can do within the Lego system. They're a little bit difficult to use because of that connection point between the bracelets, but they can come up with some really awesome results. Lego Dots is such a refreshing theme because not only do they give us a variety of Lego bracelets in different shapes, sizes, and colors, as well as amazing tiles and the ability to decorate our other Lego creations with them, but they've also expanded into other offerings as well, including a line of clothing that has Lego Dots panels on it. It's so nice to see Lego exploring wearables again because it has been so long since we had themes like Lego Clickets, which had necklaces, rings, and all kinds of little charms that you could put on your designs, and the Lego Friendship Rings that came out a few years ago, which are super fun and have this one stud on the top that allowed you to build off of them. Checking out the Lego wearables of the past can give you an awesome variety to add to your Lego wearable ensemble, including the Lego Clickets and Friendship Rings. And getting crafty with what we currently have available, like Lego Video Beat-Bit tiles and the Lego Dots bracelets, or printed tiles from your favorite theme, can really give you a personalized look to your Lego wearable items. One of my favorite bracelets was making a Lego Trolls Hug Time bracelet using their new felted elements from the Trolls line, some foils, and plant pieces in super fun colors. Well, thanks so much for exploring the wonderful world of wearable Lego with me. Hopefully you learned some cool tips and tricks that you can use in your own creations and decorations as you explore wearable Lego on your own. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and until next time, hit those bricks and play well. Bye!